Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will ask Engineer Wang to demonstrate the empty running for the C-type EPS cutting machine with automatic wire setting. Main feature for the EPS cutting machine: support cutting different thickness on the same EPS block. Support up to maximum 6 different cutting thickness. Can hang up to 51 cutting wires to cut 15 pieces of EPS boards. The minimum cutting thickness is 10 mm. The default bottom wire height is 10 mm. Support automatically calculate the height of the remaining EPS board. Compare with the regular C-type cutting machine, the advantage is automatic wire setting can save time based on the manual wire setting. Now let's take a look for the empty testing for the C-type EPS cutting machine. If you want to know more video like this, or if you want to see more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please hit the notification bell to stay part of the conversation. I'll see you next video.